got a steak. And somehow the axe pierced the can. I got my sleeping bag soaked, so that's gonna be cool. I just pulled out my fire kit and full of beer. Son of a biscuit eater, burning my knuckles. Anyway, let's throw the steak on this pan and get seasoning all over. So I ended up putting some of that Tony's, onion powder, garlic powder, Lowry's, and a little bit of that Montreal steak. Nice little chunk of meat, New York strip. We'll throw on there. I bought this on the way out here, so I wish I could have marinated it, but some people think marinating steaks absolutely ruins it. Seasonings, all that stuff. I guess I've never I've had a few steaks that were cooked just perfectly, but you didn't need nothing, no seasoning, it just tasted great. Straight cooking it. But you gotta know what you're doing. And it's gotta be good beef. Might be tricky to get her cooked now, all the wind picking up. Woo! It is getting some sweet on it, but that's what we're doing. We're riding out the storm. Hold on to your britches. I'm telling you what, I took the frickin' ash catcher off, and this thing is fighting for fire. I've only messed with this thing twice. I burned charcoal in it once and then some twigs, and it struggled on the twigs last time. But man, dude, this thing is, like I said, this is a trial stove, and it's fighting for air. This is the hardest I ever had to work for a steak, though. I'm telling you, I don't know why. And then I'm just getting slaughtered with smoke in here because it's just backfilling. So, yeah, you can only imagine how frustrated I'm getting. I'm about to punt this damn thing out of the tent. Finally, it's staying steady. Either that or just bring charcoal along cooking. Because charcoal burnt great. But that kind of defeats the purpose. I'd rather use some sticks. But, trial and error. Didn't mean trial and error, I meant aggravation and pulling hair. Alright. This thing is finally done. I cut it. I went a little bit well on her. Man, he gets smoked out by the damn day. Couldn't see, I was too busy fighting with it, trying to keep it going. I went a little bit further than I usually like. This thing's well done now, which sucks. I still have to New York strip. I don't want my New York strip like that. But excuse me for doing my mouth full. I say that every time, talking with my mouth full. That light's a little bright, but it turned out pretty good. Not bad. The right side of it's a little more well done. But pretty good. Here comes that dang smoke. I moved the stove over. Oh boy. Get out of here. And I just eat my steak in peace.